This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Catos. New price and home warranty on this great 3-bedroom home with a separate study. Located near 5 Points and I-565, the home has low maintenance vinyl siding, updated windows, and laminate flooring in living areas. The kitchen with a granite-topped island and breakfast bar leads to huge pantry. Go to Costco or Sam's with confidence. The dining room/sunroom has French doors leading to a patio. The fully fenced yard boasts an 8x10 shed. The full bathroom has a tile mosaic floor and bead board. HVAC is updated 1 year ago. Washer/dryer/refrigerator work great and are to remain in as is condition for buyer's ease. For more information, review the details below.